Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about what is AIRPLAY in LG Smart TV. Now pay attention, AIRPLAY is like a screen share, okay, but with your iOS system, okay, Apple, iPhone, iPad or MacBook, okay. Now in your iPad or your iPhone, you need find here your screen share or AIRPLAY button. Touch here and select your TV. Now you need, if you want use that system, okay, screen share, you need connect your iPad and your TV in the same Wi-Fi, okay. This is all that you need if you want to use this, okay. Okay, I need. Now can you see, this is my iPad, okay. Let me show you, okay. I watch Friends, okay, but pay attention, okay. This is quickly because I don't want copyright problems here. Now can you see?
Aquí está Ben saludando.
Can you see?
Ay, miren al bebé de tía Mónica.
Wait, copyright. Now with that you can use your TV like an iPad. And this is all for this video. Remember, you need connect the same Wi-Fi, okay. Have a good day and see you later.